There are very many community groups out there, particularly in an area like the inner city of Birmingham, and probably hundreds, and they change. They're like organisms. Sometimes they're huge, sometimes they're very small. So they do a very important function. They're a very big part of civic society, and around gelling various parts of a neighbourhood, a place together. But they're also important opinion formers. They are able to tell stories about local people in a very simplistic way without spreadsheets and PowerPoints. Now with social media, and blogging and community blogging, a lot of community organisations, even if they can't produce newsletters, they do blog. They are easy access to the media. Because of their presence on the internet. So getting instant stories to what's been announced and what's been shared in press releases is quite unique. The other thing about community groups is they have been around for a long time, so their relational power between themselves and with other people is quite unique. It's really important to engage with as many community groups as possible in a manner that you can to get at the breadth of knowledge of what's happening on your doorstep beyond your doctor's surgery. We've been working on proposals to develop a health centre for a number of years, and for all sorts of reasons things haven't progressed. And Dr. Mukherjee, again, who's the chair of ICOF, being a GP in the area, attended a residents meeting with myself with no prior intentions to announce anything, just to hear what people had to say. And that was really important because they felt that he was a champion for them. And he, in turn, said, coming to yourselves gave me a mandate to go back to the PCT and say, look, this is really important to people here. What could we do something? If you can build that relationship with them and be very clear and be honest, ultimately when they take place and when they take part in things like Health Watch, which is going to be attracting a lot of community groups, you find you're on a better level. You're not actually, it's not an us and them scenario, and they're really interested in how sincere somebody is. And if you can convince that you care and that you're interested in civic responsibility, you'll be surprised the amount of things they can do for you.